what if the limitations only existed in our mind? What if you are born in a country and then migrated to US and you had to reinvent yourself again? So this is my story, and my name is Minal, Babaria, and I have reinvented in myself to be the example of possibility, determination, growth, and resilience. When I co-founded KB Tax Divisor CPAs with my sister, I just didn't want another ordinary accounting firm. We wanted a firm that empowers business owners with smarter tax and business decisions that help them grow and succeed. The Certified Tax Coach Institute is like a game changer with lots of cutting-edge tax strategies. And it's a group of like-hearted, like-minded people where we are trained to be an elite tax professional, not just knowing how to find the tax strategies, but how to effectively implement and put it into action. Personally, the CTC designation sets the benchmark for excellence. I feel pride when I represent myself as a CTC in front of a lot of accountants, as well as in front of my clients. There are millions of accountants in USA, but not everyone is designated as a certified tax coach. And we are being upheld to the highest standards. So working with my sister has been incredible. She is like my support system, and we both share a similar vision. We complement each other's strengths and weaknesses very well, and family has been the bedrock of our life. And with the possibilities and integrity and ethics that we both have been raised growing up. And I'm proud to say it's not just my one sister who is a CPA, but we all three sisters are CPAs, and all of us work together. I stand here today to inspire a lot of other people, that what is possible when you look beyond limiting beliefs that are either imposed by society or yourself. A lot can be overcome when you look beyond that.